What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys, it's all about Barnbridge, which has pumped up a major 85% in the last 24 hours and currently trading near about the $3 mark. And as you guys can clearly see, it has gone through a major increase, a huge green candlestick. So we're going to be looking at, is it time to buy right now? Is it too late? Or if you're on a profit, is it time to sell it and take out your profits? Or is it simply time to hold on to it before it pumps up even higher over the coming hours, days, weeks, and so on? So essentially, we are going to cover both buyers and a seller's point of view, and also looking at his prediction over the next couple of days, weeks, months, and overall in 2023. How high and how low can this crypto go? And is it worth investing into it this year? But before I get into all of that stuff, guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I am trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel. And for a bonus entry, follow me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So we are currently looking at the Coinbase website. The market is up 0.6%, and guys, there is a glitch with Coinbase. These are not the actual figures. Loom Network is not up 400%, Render is not up 300%. So yeah, don't go by this, but when you actually open the chart, yeah, it comes up with a real value. So Barnbridge in the last hour itself has gone up 1.5%. Over the last day, a massive 84%, and it all started earlier this morning around 7 AM, where it started to pump up in value, and it is still ongoing. Over the week, 46%, and over the month, 39%. So going into the CoinMarketCap website here, we can see the trading volume has gone up over 3,500%, making it $98 million in trading, which is again a major increase in trading, as it's gained a lot of attention, a lot of hype around it, as it is one of the top gainers. We are seeing more and more people trading the crypto, a lot more buyers, a lot more sellers, and in general just a lot more traders, which is also helping its value pump up. So on the screen right now, we do have the candlestick pattern chart with the Fibonacci scale, which I'm going to be using later on in the video to do some technical analysis. But for now, I'm just going to hide this, and I'm going to bring out the usual MACD indicator to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So we are looking at the daily chart, and at the top here we've got the purple line running across the chart, which is the SMA indicator, giving us the average value of Barnbridge, which is here in purple at $2.17. However, we can see it trading at a much higher value here in green at $3.01, meaning it's performing quite well and much better than expected. So let's zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then I'll move on to the hourly, daily, and weekly chart for the long-term investors like myself. But before I do that, guys, just a little disclaimer. As usual, this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So zooming into the 30-minute chart, we have already started going downwards. As you guys can see, the blue line is looking slightly bearish, heading towards the negative direction, and so is the orange line. They are essentially both just about slanting towards the negative direction, meaning an overall drop in value is what is expected from Barnbridge over the next 12 to 14 hours. So in the early hours of tomorrow to tomorrow midday, do expect this crypto to have dropped down to below $2.50 is what I'm expecting. Again, that doesn't mean that it's going to stop pumping right now. Of course not. It's likely to pump up a little bit higher, potentially to about $3.10 to $3.15, before it slowly starts to drop back down in value towards the end of the day today and early hours of tomorrow below $2.50. Now, moving on to the hourly chart, next couple of days we are not looking too great either. Again, some of you guys may be thinking, why not? Is going in a positive direction. However, this is not realistic. Only reason why it's looking so steep is because of the major pump that's taken place over the last approximately 12 hours. The graph thinks, yes, it's going to keep going that way, and so on and so on. However, that is not the case. Over the next 7 to 8 days, so let's say towards the end of next week, I am expecting Barnbridge to have dropped back down once again below the $2 mark, potentially trading around $1.70 to $1.80. is where I'm expecting Barnbridge to be trading at towards the end of next week. However, that doesn't mean it's going to be a sudden crash or consistent crashes over the next 7-8 days. Of course not. We are likely to see the odd green day where it's likely to take a little bit of a green day, but the overall outcome seems to be more on the negative side. So do expect an overall drop in value from Barnbridge over the next 7 to 8 days. Now, moving on to the daily chart, next couple of weeks, what can we see here? Again, we've got the blue line looking very steep, going in a bullish direction, meaning it's not realistic. The orange line is just about slanting towards a positive direction. However, over the next 6 to 8 weeks, so early to mid-December 2023, I'm not expecting any major pumps from this crypto. In fact, I'm expecting an overall drop in value from Barnbridge over the next 6 to 8 weeks. Again, if I zoom out a little bit, you guys can essentially see the crypto has been heading downwards since 2022. So about for over a year now, it's been slowly and steadily dropping in value, and I'm not expecting it any other way. I'm expecting it to keep dropping in value. So towards the end of the year, we should be heading down towards the $1.10 to $1.20 is where I'm expecting Barnbridge to be trading at in December, unless the crypto market goes through a major bull run and a price pump. And in fact, especially if Barnbridge go for a major update or they got news coming up that can have a potential positive or negative impact, then yes, the predictions will change and I will of course keep you guys updated. But at the moment, this is my take and my prediction on Barnbridge. So let's get rid of the MACD indicator and bring on the Fibonacci scale. There isn't much I can do here. As you guys can see, it's still trading in the red zone, and it is in fact trading in the lowest part of the red zone, and we've got quite a long way for it to hit the resistance target here, which is $17.69, which I'm not expecting Barnbridge to hit anytime soon. At least for the next 2 to 3 years, we are going to be stuck in the red zone. But that doesn't matter, guys. What matters is as long as it slowly starts to gain value up in a positive direction over the next couple of months, we should be good to go. But again, nothing like that is predicted. But yeah, this is my take on Barnbridge, guys. What I want you guys to do is let me know in the comment section down below what is the highest or lowest figure this crypto can hit in 2023. Comment down below, as I'm very intrigued to see how many of you guys are bullish and how many of you guys are bearish on this crypto. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here, guys. I just want to say a massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting, and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot and means a lot to me, as I am trying to hit 100k subscribers. And at the end of the day, guys, it's free to subscribe, so why don't you go down and smash that subscribe button and like the video, and I'll catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today or tomorrow. Until then, take care and peace.